Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of photography with the Canon EOS X7i triple zoom kit. This international version might not come with a warranty, but let me tell you, it's packed with features that make it a creative powerhouse. First off, we've got an APS-C sensor with 18 megapixels, ensuring crisp and detailed shots. The triple zoom kit includes the EFS 10-18mm, EFS 18-55mm, and EFS 55-250mm lenses, covering a wide range of focal lengths. From expansive landscapes to zooming in on distant subjects, this kit has you covered. The image stabilization is digital, which may not be as advanced as optical stabilization, but it still does a decent job in reducing shake and ensuring sharp images. With a minimum shutter speed of 1/4000 seconds, you can freeze fast-moving subjects with ease. The form factor of this DSLR is what you'd expect: sturdy and ergonomic, providing a comfortable grip for those long shooting sessions. Now, let's talk about the performance. The autofocus system works well for both stills and video, making it versatile for various shooting scenarios. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, the intuitive controls and user-friendly interface of the Canon EOS X7i make it easy to navigate. It's an excellent tool for learning the ropes of DSLR photography. In conclusion, if you're looking for a solid entry-level DSLR with a versatile triple zoom kit, the Canon EOS X7i is worth considering. Just keep in mind the lack of warranty for the international version. Now, let's take a closer look at some sample shots to see how this kit performs in real-world situations. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.